2020 Toyota Corolla. We are replacing the passenger wiper. And just for reference, if you're replacing also the driver's side wiper length is 28 inches and the passenger side again is 14 inches. Before we replace the wiper, let's put the wiper in service position. The way to do it is you turn off the vehicle and within 45 seconds of turning it off, you press the spray mist button for 2 seconds and the wiper would stay in the middle. Let's do that right now. So I'm gonna turn it off. Then hold the spray mist position for 2 seconds. And you see the wipers are in service position mode. Now we can replace the wipers. The reason we're putting the wipers in service position mode because some wipers rest underneath the hood. And the only way that we can replace or raise the wiper arms is putting it in service position mode. Now, it doesn't really apply on this particular vehicle, but I wanted to show you how to put it in wiper position mode. Anyway, so now we can raise the wiper up. And as you can see, the blade is torn apart already. To release a wiper blade from the wiper arm, normally you have a locking tab at the bottom to press down and it should shift down to release it. But because this is an OEM wiper blade from Toyota, there's a locking tab on top that you need to pop off, just like this. Sorry, I don't have my proper tools. So you pop it up from the top and it should shift down and you can take it off the wiper arm. And just for reference, this is a J-type hook connection. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the old wiper blade and the new wiper blade. And as you can see with the old wiper blade, the wiper blade has separated from its base. Now, before we can install the new wiper blade, we have two adapters that we have to check which one fits the wiper arm connection. Okay, so we have the wiper arm connection and this is adapter B. Nope, it's too big. So now we're gonna try adapter E. Alright, adapter E fits, so we'll put this one on the wiper blade. Next, we're gonna match the orientation of the old wiper blade and the new wiper blade. This is the location of the swivel part. So we're gonna connect the adapter based on the swivel part of the wiper arm. So to connect it, just slide it in and press it on. There you go. So it has the same orientation as the old one. Now let's slide it in. Now we're going to install the wiper blade. Slide in the J hook on the wiper blade, then put the adapter in between the J, then lock it in place. There you go. So now it's locked in place. Now let's put back the wiper down onto the windshield. Now we can put back the wipers in its starting position. Simply turn on the car and activate the wipers. And there you go. And that is how to replace the passenger side wiper for this 2020 Toyota Corolla. It is the same procedure in case you want to replace the driver's side as well. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's RJeff and thank you for watching.